Hey guys, it's Saturday night, 10 past 11. I wanted to share a story with you that happened to me over the last 24 hours. Um, a really, a really good story. I got a phone call last night from a friend whose daughter lives in Queensland, and her partner suffers from, I believe it's lymphoma, and he was in a pretty bad way. These guys have very much embraced alternative treatments and conventional treatments at the same time. They probably leaned a little bit towards the alternative treatments. Anyway, cut a long story short, basically they were in Brisbane on Thursday, I think. Drove 48 hours straight back here to Melbourne, to this person's mama's place, and that's a friend of mine. And anyway, so I got a phone call last night saying that my daughter's boyfriend's turned up. He's in a pretty bad way. He's a cancer patient. Can you come up and have a chat with him? So went up this morning, not really knowing what was going on. Went and spoke to him, and yeah, he was in a pretty bad way. Pain management, all those sorts of things, everything was over the shop. He had tried a lot of alternative type treatments, and he was now ready to give chemotherapy a try. So if you could imagine, lunchtime on a Saturday afternoon, trying to get someone that's in a pretty poor condition into somewhere that can help him, somewhere appropriate that can help him, somewhere like Peter Mac or something like that. I made a couple of phone calls to the Warwick Foundation, who are absolutely awesome people. Sam Lehman helped me out with some numbers and some bits and pieces there. So we sent him off to the Royal Melbourne Hospital. So he went to the Royal Melbourne in through emergency. They initially wanted to send him home, for whatever reason, I don't know, but I just got a phone call tonight saying that he's been admitted onto the oncology ward at the Royal Melbourne, and he's spoken to an oncologist. He will probably start chemo on Wednesday, and hopefully, fingers crossed, his condition will improve, and it'll be a lot better outcome. But yeah, just an amazing story. Like, the reason that they drove all this way was because they had no, the girl that the guy's partner, she had no family support in Queensland, so she had a mum and people down here that she knew. So out of desperation, she jumped in the car and drove them all the way down here, and which sort of highlights a couple of things. It highlights that you need to make sure that there is a balance between alternative and conventional treatment, and I know that I am a big advocate for alternative treatments, but this highlights that you've got to make sure that you keep a balance between the two, that keep things in check. Secondly, having a support network. You've got to have a massive or a great support network around you. Like me, myself, and Kylie and I, we have a fantastic support network, so we don't have to worry about it. But yeah, it was just an awesome result. Like, I am absolutely on cloud nine right now, knowing that the hell the poor guy has been through in the last 48 hours, to now he's in a bed, he's in one of the best hospitals in Melbourne, he's seeing an oncologist that he's actually really comfortable with, and they're looking at getting him stable and starting chemotherapy. So to me, that is a really cool result. That's a great feel-good story. I feel I'm going to sleep better tonight. I told those guys to get some rest tonight. Obviously, they've got a really big road ahead, but yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys because, like, I thought it's a pretty full on story, and I only played a really small part in it. I just made a couple of phone calls and worked out where to go or who to talk to. But all in all, a fantastic result, and yeah, my thoughts are with those guys, and I'm pretty confident. He's a pretty tough guy. I reckon he'll be okay. But anyway, that is just a quick thing for tonight. As per usual, it's late. And yeah, getting ready for going to bed. But there you go. Alright guys, I will talk to you later in the week. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and have a good night.